Buddy, it's your boy. Sharon34.
So you gonna hop in my intro like that? Okay.
And freaking Straight Lazy official. Drop a sub, like, and activate post notifications. And let's get with the video. Booga.
I'm gonna include you in front of all my videos, you know. Since you hop in front of my intros like every time I record, you know.
Booga.
Secure the room. We need to protect the biohazard container.
Okay. Hey, watch out! So
Take some trauma pain.
You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
Oh!
Don't you kill me. Shamar, don't you kill me.
Do you have full health?
No, Shamar just hit me.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Back up.
That was my car.
Oh, what?
You wasn't my guy. You were right there in front of the door.
Wait.
You gonna blame that on me? Are you serious? You gonna blame that on me?
Key.
Op 4 drone
Wait,
is found
I didn't even
biohazard
shoot
down to
him.
10 seconds.
You did shoot him.
I didn't do nothing.
Whatever.
I
It
didn't
was
do
somebody,
nothing.
bro.
Wasn't me.
Protect the biohazard container at all costs.
I'm just telling you what you are. You're a pickle chin. You have a pickle chin. You look like a pickle chin.
You look like a pickle chin. I haven't played this game in so long.
Wow, why are we locked in this room? Like, this is not
Oh my goodness.
scared.
Me too. They no.
They blew up both windows.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
I'm breaking out of here, yo.
Oh,
I'm breaking out of here.
Oh
Why
god.
did I get, bro? Hibana at window.
They're rushing.
Oh my god.
Bro, what is this? Stop trying to stop! What are you doing, Julian?
Shamar,
Oh
help.
man, revive.
Prevent further access to the biohazard.
They're inside. How's he not dead?
Op 4 is securing the
How is
container.
he not dead?
One friendly operator remaining.
Your body's in the way.
It's putting me. I couldn't do it.
I told you not to come in.
You told me I couldn't
Protect the
fit that
biohazard.
You couldn't. You couldn't fit to
All
that little
friendlies have
thing.
been neutralized.
He ain't popped out though.
whole
Peachy tunic.
Well, okay. I low-key thought that I could slide through that little thing, you know. Alright,
If we go in the same room, we're in the same room.
Oh no.
I started busting open the windows and I got kind of scared.
Yo, Zoe's on, I think he's gonna get on, you know what? I don't know who to go this moment.
I'm gonna card.
But I'm gonna go dark.
Oh my gosh.
I think Zoe's hopping on, GTA. And he's hopping on Call of Duty Black Ops 3.
I don't got that.
Yeah.
I gave this.
I wish that's the favorite that's the best Call of Duty that was out.
Really? Bro, you can customize your character. That was the best part about it right
Secure
there.
the room. We need to protect the biohazard
Their guns was
container.
the best part
Hey,
about it right now.
Yeah,
does
but it's the
anybody have a
characters.
deployable shield, yo?
Oh, what the freak is
Okay,
that?
Yes,
you got a deployable
yes,
shield?
Yes.
Okay, place it right there.
Gonna watch mail.
Op 4
Alright,
located the
Right there, Shamar?
biohazard container.
everybody
Yeah,
stay in
that's
this one
good.
room because they start busting. They start busting right here, you know.
Bro, what the crap was that game?
But FBI open up.
10 seconds to insertion.
Bro.
5 seconds.
Well, he was
Alright,
FBI
placing a
open up.
camera. Oh, and we're doing the same
Protect the
thing.
biohazard
Very
container.
In this roll, that's how I'm small. I took it demolished.
Oh, they're already spraying. They already shot through the glass.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, I'm not sure this gonna end good.
Yeah, for real.
And they're already breaking the windows and stuff. Man.
They already got a little freaking crack over here in the window. What is that? That was a team. That was a team.
You sell out.
Just
You
don't.
sell out.
Wait.
Enemy scan inbound. Starting your timer.
I think they're gonna rush, bro.
They got they are here.
What is this? Where are these
They're in the
people trees
trees. Let me stop.
they are in the trees.
at? Oh!
From where?
God.
Watch Raji, watch your jet. Watch Raji, watch your jet. I'm saying, you know, they busted open a wall.
That's me, that's me.
Okay.
So I could see inside the, oh, they spotted me. Oh, crap. Okay. You may not have a dock no more.
Cam in position.
They know I'm right here.
Protect the biohazard container.
They got in.
Enemy drone moving.
Look how they got in.
Stop the hostiles from securing the biohazard
Damn,
container.
that killed me.
Look how do you need them? What? They're right.
What? I'm clipping that. I'm clipping that.
You killed some?
Yes. I'm popping off like you told me to.
Hey, bro, don't say that anymore. You got a video that's crazy, dude. Come on now.
Magnet going up. Perimeter defense up.
Bruh.
They all
They
up there.
spraying.
And then good.
New camera feed up and running.
Look. Oh, they shot Cam. They shot my camera. Yo, you got thermite outside? At those windows.
Where am I getting spotted from? Is there Nokabe taking the cameras?
I don't think so, bro.
Watch
It
behind you,
would
watch
say
behind you. Never, that's teammate, never.
Oh shoot, thermite's going inside, I think.
From where?
But no, he's not. No, he's not. Well, yes, he is from that hole.
Op 4 is securing the biohazard container. Intervene immediately. 15 seconds. One Op 4 remaining. Prevent further access to the biohazard container.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's
You
go. I
got
take
teammate
those
just
kills,
clutched that
baby.
right there.
Let's go. I took his kill. Oh, he voted to kill me because I took his kill.
I'm not, nah.
He actually voted to kill me because I took his kill. Oh my.
Okay, where you guys going?
Okay,
I'm
quiet.
going where everybody else is going. I'm
I
not.
go at campfire.
Be quiet.
That clutch up though. The teammate was in there going sweat, you know, slapping over there, you know, just hiding in the corner.
Okay, when I saw them go through that door in that room you was hiding, I thought you were gonna die. I thought they knew you were right there.
Hey, tell me why
They
Grit,
better shoot you.
tell me why Gridlock looks like a man. Am I the only one that sees that? And like, you know, am I the only one that sees
Because-
that?
No,
why?
I see that.
It looks like
Okay,
an old man.
why?
Cause bro,
Locate the biohazard container.
Why?
do it.
Why?
What are you saying why for?
Something.
Oh my
I don't see
god.
things.
And
Oh, I found them. Hey, how y'all doing?
Well done.
Wait,
Biohazard
what
has
is
that
the
90
problem?
HP.
Dude, what is the problem?
Please.
No enemies.
What is the problem?
Oh my.
Can you just like message me real quick what the problem is?
I found two of them. Oh, wow.
10
Dang,
seconds.
that's tough.
Insertion in 5 seconds. Biohazard container located. Proceed to its location.
What's that dude, Shamara?
Oh, I spawned all the way over here.
Ballistic shield deployed.
Dang.
I just got shot by a teammate.
It's probably the dude that you stole his kill.
I know it is, because I seen him look at me.
You can vote to kick him out. I mean, if since he's gonna kill people. There's two of them in this.
Why you say lazy?
Reloading!
There's two of them in that room.
Huh?
From where?
Container.
Alright.
Cease
That's
securing
so
the container.
dumb. See, this is exactly why I stopped playing this game. You can never tell where they're coming from.
Op 4 last stop standing. Secure the container.
What the? Oh, is that?
Still
Op
one.
4
Oh.
neutralized.
But like, bro, you can never tell where they're coming from. Like, I don't know.
I didn't even see him.
Well, I'm raging. I'm raging just a tiny bit. Oh my gosh. I'm pushing in with y'all. Nah, bro. I'm pushing in with y'all.
I'm letting them pick for me. Okay.
Find the biohazard container location.
You got this, voice. No pressure. Alright, can I jump, please? Alright, thank you. I appreciate you.
Well done. Biohazard container located.
How the fuck do y'all get over here? Oh, enemies detected. Enemies
5 seconds to go.
Weak.
Proceed to the biohazard container and secure it.
Makai, I think our teammate trying to shoot you. Never mind. Never mind.
Nah, nah.
I
Yeah,
heard
I
somebody
shoot him.
shooting. I had to make sure.
I just shoot him in the head, so I don't care.
Where y'all
Shoot.
entering at? They're so. Well, this is where I'm gonna end the video at. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to drop a sub if you want. No big deal to me. But, yeah. If you get the comment. I'll talk to you later. I head out.